A very good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the English online classes. In previous classes, we had already studied about adjectives. So today, I am going to start the exercise part of lesson 5, adjectives. So, come to the first question. Complete the sentences with the given words. So, here options are mentioned. So, we just put the correct word in the blank place and complete the following sentences. See the first one. This room is big. It is, what's the answer? Spacious. Be careful about spellings. Spacious. See the next one. There is no noise here. It is quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. See the third one. The people don't want to wait in the queue. They are impatient. Impatient. Every options are mentioned. So be careful about spellings. I-M-P-A-T-I-E-N-T. Impatient. She has no time. She is busy. B-U-S-Y. Busy. He has won a lottery prize. He is lucky. L-U-C-K-Y. Lucky. We heard the news about the plane crash today. It is shocking. S-H-O-C-K-I-N-G. Shocking. So like this only you just finish the leftover part of this question. So come to the next question. See the next question. Choose a suitable adjective to fill in the blanks. So here we choose a suitable adjective and put it in the blank place. You can see the first question here. Made of wool. What is the answer? Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. Of many colors. What is called? Colorful. C-O-L-O-U-R-F-U-L. Colorful. Nice to look at. What is that? Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. A person known to all. Famous. F-A-M-O-U-S. Famous. Having great value. Valuable. V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E. Valuable. Something that costs a lot. What's the answer? Expensive. E-X-P-E-N-S-I-V-E. Expensive. So my dear students, like this you must finish this, the leftover part. Now come to the next question. Complete the following advertisements with suitable adjectives. So here some advertisements are mentioned and you just see options are already mentioned here. So we just choose and write it in the correct place. See the first one. Introducing the all new Pictionary for kids. An interesting book. Interesting book with beautiful pictures. Meaning of difficult words made simple with colorful illustrations. You can see the next one. Don't miss this. The greatest show on earth has come to your town. A golden opportunity. A golden opportunity to watch world famous artists in action. Amazing tricks by animals. The exciting trapeze act and lots more in store. A very thrilling. Be careful about spellings. Spellings are already mentioned. So you must, when you write down in the blank place, you be careful. You all must be careful about spellings. And you must do the leftover part of this question at home. Now just go to the next question. Write an adjective to complete the following. So here options are there. So we must choose and complete it here. See the first one. Ashish has worked very hard today. He is tired. Here is tired is mentioned. Big vehicles cannot pass this way. The road is narrow. I have seen the film. It is excellent. Our driver takes care. He is careful. Rita speaks sweetly to everyone. She is polite. You can see here all the options are mentioned here. So leftover part you must choose it in a proper place and finish the work. Now come to the next question. Write 3 words that describe the following. You can see the example medicine, effective, bitter, costly. So we just see what is the next one. Room. Room means room can be big, spacious, airy. Weather, pleasant, hot, cold. Exam, difficult, easy, boring. So like this you must finish the leftover part. I hope you understand what I am saying. So you must leftover part, you just finish it. Now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks with comparative or superlative adjectives. So we just finish it properly. You just read the question first. I am the dash child in the family. In bracket young. So we just use here comparative or superlative adjectives. So see the first question. I am the dash child in the family. Young, answer is youngest. Superlative form. I am the youngest child in the family. See the second one. That exercise is dash than this one. In bracket difficult. What's the answer? More difficult. More difficult. See the third one. He is the dash businessman in town. In bracket rich. What is the answer? Richest. See the fourth one. Kolkata is dash from Hyderabad than Chennai is. In bracket far. Farther. F-A-R-T-H-E-R. Farther. Comparative adjective. Farther. See the next one. Your suitcase is dash than mine. In bracket heavy. What's the answer? Heavier. H-E-A-V-I-E-R. Heavier. So you like this, you must finish the rest over part of this question. Now come to the next one. Come to the next question. Underline the correct words to complete the following. So which one is correct? You must underline the correct answer. See the first one. There wasn't many or much rain last year. There wasn't much rain last year. This hospital has many or much facilities for the people. Many. See the next one. Many or much people visit the Ramoji Film City at weekends. Many. Many people visit the Ramoji Film City at weekends. I want to spend a few or a little days with my grandparents. What is the answer? A few. A few days with my grandparents. Can you give me a few or some information about the course? What is the answer? Some. See the next one. You don't need to add any or a few sugar to this drink. What's the answer? Any sugar to the drink. I will finish the work in a few or some minutes. A few minutes. Is there any a few coffee in the pot? What's the answer? Any. So like this you just finish the leftover part. I hope you all understand this particular exercise work. So this is the end of the exercise part of this lesson. On lesson number 5, adjectives. So my dear children, you must practice the exercise part of this lesson at home. Thank you and have a great day.